Whose is it? A funny story to practice possessive pronouns. It was Saturday afternoon, and the park was full of noise and laughter. Lily, Ben, Jake, Zoe, and Max were having a picnic and playing games. They brought balls, bikes, backpacks, snacks, and water bottles. But when a big gust of wind blew through, things went everywhere. "Ah, my sandwich!" shouted Jake. "Is this sandwich yours?" asked Max, holding a half-eaten one. Jake looked. "No way. That's not mine. Mine had ketchup. That one looks like hers," he said, pointing to Zoe. Zoe checked it. No, not mine either. I think it's his," she said, pointing to Ben. Ben was chewing. "Nope, I already ate mine." Lily held up a soccer ball. "Okay, whose is this ball?" "Is it yours?" she asked. Jake grabbed it. "Nope, mine has red stripes." "Then maybe it's theirs," said Zoe, pointing to a group of kids laughing nearby. Meanwhile, Max was trying to find his water bottle. "This bottle is wet and has a crack in its side," he said. "Whose is it?" Zoe looked. "No, mine was green. That one might be hers." "Nope, not mine," Lily said, shaking her head. "I found this backpack under the tree," shouted Ben. "Wait, that's mine," yelled Lily. "It has gum stuck inside." Everyone laughed. Ben picked up a hat. "This must be yours, Max. It's super sweaty." "No," Max said. "That's definitely not mine. It's probably his," he added, pointing to Jake. Jake smelled it. "That's not mine either. Yuck!" They kept checking things. Hats, socks. Yes, somehow socks. Sunglasses. Even one missing shoe. After 20 minutes of chaos, everything was finally organized. Jake said, "From now on, we label everything. So, we always know it's mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, and even its." Then he looked at the sweaty hat and tossed it into the trash. "Except that can stay lost forever."
Like and subscribe to the channel.